Mother, the most beautiful relation on earth. Mother's love is the purest and the most devoted form of love we have ever experienced. No language can express the beauty and power of mother's love. It's unconditional, it's magical, a love that never dies. हम चाहे कितने भी बड़े हो जाएं, अपनी माँ के पास जाते ही बच्चे बन जाते हैं. Namaste and welcome to Hindi with Bindu Uday, where you will be getting English explanation to your Hindi lessons. Here is a beautiful poem from class 6th that depicts the beauty of a mother and child relationship. मैं सबसे छोटी हूँ by Sumitra Nandan Pant.
In this video, we will learn the 13th lesson from class 6th, मैं सबसे छोटी हूँ by Sumitra Nandan Pant. Sumitra Nandan Pant. He was one of the four main pillars of Chayavad, a section in modern Hindi poetry. Sumitra Nandan Pant was born on 20th May 1900 in Bageshwar district, Kausani, which was a northwestern province of British India. He was one of the most celebrated 20th century poets, known for romanticism in his poems, which was inspired by nature, people, and beauty within. Apart from Chayavadi poems, Pant also wrote progressive, socialist, and humanist poems. Some of his famous literary works are Pallav, Veena, Gunjan, Kala aur Boodha Chand, Chidambara, Yugantar, etc. In 1960, Pant received the Sahitya Academy Award for Kala aur Boodha Chand. In 1969, he became the first Hindi poet to receive the Gyan Peeth Award for his poems titled Chidambara. The Indian government honored him with Padma Bhushan in 1961. Pant died on 28 December 1977 at Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh. Mother's love, the most devoted form of love anybody ever experiences. The bond between a mother and her child is the only real and purest bond in the world. The only true love we can ever find in our lifetime. A mother is she who can take the place of all others, but whose place no one else can take, because mom means everything. मैं सबसे छोटी हूँ कविता में कवि सुमित्रा नंदन पंत जी अपनी माँ के प्रति एक लड़की के मन की इच्छा व्यक्त कर रहे हैं. लड़की अपनी माँ की सबसे छोटी संतान बनने की कामना करती है. In this poem, Sumitra Nandan Pant describes a girl's feelings towards her mother, that how a girl wishes to be small, the youngest. बचपन में बच्चे अपनी माँ के बहुत करीब होते हैं. माँ हर तरह से बच्चे की देखभाल करती है. Children are very close to their mother in their childhood. Mother does everything for them. They rely upon their mother for everything. लड़की छोटी बने रहना चाहती है ताकि माँ का लंबे समय तक स्नेह और सामीप्य पा सके. And the girl wants to remain small, to enjoy this pampering and special care for a longer period of time. बड़ी हो जाने पर माँ का स्नेह उस तरह प्राप्त नहीं होगा जिस तरह छुटपन में प्राप्त होता है, because she feels that once you grow up, mom does not take care of her as she used to do before. लड़की बड़ी होकर माँ का स्नेह खोना नहीं चाहती, अतः वह हमेशा छोटी बनी रहना चाहती है. The girl does not want to be deprived of her mother's love and wishes to remain small forever. Let's go through the poem. मैं सबसे छोटी हूँ, तेरी गोदी में सोऊं, तेरा अंचल पकड़ पकड़ कर फिरूं सदा माँ तेरे साथ, कभी न छोड़ूं तेरा हाथ. बड़ा बनाकर पहले हमको तू पीछे छलती है मात, हाथ पकड़ फिर सदा हमारे साथ नहीं फिरती दिन रात. अपने कर से खिला धुला मुख, धूल पोंछ सज्जित कर गात, थमा खिलौने नहीं सुनाती हमें सुखद परियों की बात। ऐसी बड़ी न होऊं मैं, तेरा स्नेह न खोऊं मैं, तेरे अंचल की छाया में छिपी रहूं निस्पृह निर्भय, कहूं दिखा दे चंद्रोदय। मैं सबसे छोटी हूँ, तेरी गोदी में सोऊं। The girl expresses her wish to her mother. She says, मैं सबसे छोटी हूँ. I wish to be the youngest. तेरी गोदी में सोऊं. Godi is laps. She says, I want to sleep in your laps. तेरा अंचल पकड़ पकड़ कर, and I want to hold on to your अंचल. Anchal or anchal is your mother's sari or your mother's dupatta. So the girl says, I want to hold on to your anchal. फिरूं सदा माँ तेरे साथ. I want to follow you everywhere. कभी न छोड़ूं तेरा हाथ. And I would never ever leave your hand. The girl expresses her wish to remain with her mother forever. बड़ा बनाकर पहले हमको तू पीछे छलती है मात. Further, the girl says that बड़ा बनाकर पहले हमको, oh mother, you bring us up first. You raise us with special love and care, with a lot of compassion and kindness. You take care of each and every need of ours. You fulfill all our wishes. And then later, तू पीछे, after that, छलती है मात. Oh mother, you cheat us. The girl complains here. She feels that her mother cheats her once she is grown up. Because mother is not showing her affection and care for her as she used to do before. हाथ पकड़ फिर सदा हमारे साथ नहीं फिरती दिन रात. She is saying you are indifferent to us once we grow up. You don't hold on to our hands. हाथ पकड़ फिर सदा हमारे साथ नहीं फिरती दिन रात. You don't hang out with us all the time. Here the girl says so. She feels so because she is disappointed. She feels hurt as she is not getting that personal attention that she used to get before. अपने कर से खिला धुला मुख, धूल पोंछ सज्जित कर गात. Further, the girl reminds her mother of all those special gestures of love, all those special moments of care, how she used to take care of her in various manners, how she used to make sure that the child eats right, cleaning her up, dressing her up, beautifying her, making her look more prettier. She says, अपने कर से खिला धुला मुख. Oh mother, you don't feed us with your hands anymore. You don't wash our face. धूल पोंछ सज्जित कर गात. You don't wipe off my dust. You don't clean me up. सज्जित कर गात, and you don't beautify my body anymore. Gat is body. Because before, when she was a child, mother used to be very particular about all these things. She used to keep her neat and tidy and look presentable all the time, which she is missing right now. And that's not all. There are many more things that you don't do for us anymore. थमा खिलौने नहीं सुनाती हमें सुखद परियों की बात. थमा खिलौने, you don't give us toys anymore. You don't play with us. नहीं सुनाती हमें सुखद परियों की बात. And you no more narrate us the beautiful, happy fairy tales. And the girl says, ऐसी बड़ी न हूं मैं, तेरा स्नेह न खोऊं मैं. ऐसी बड़ी न हूं मैं. I don't want to grow up like this. तेरा स्नेह न खोऊं मैं. I don't just want to lose your love. According to the girl, what is the benefit of growing up in a way that you lose your mother's love? तेरे अंचल की छाया में छिपी रहूं निस्पृह निर्भय. तेरी अंचल, माँ का आंचल, Mother's sari. It's really special. It protects you from all evil eyes. You rush into your ma's anchal, your mother's sari, when you come across a stranger. You hide yourself there. You even wipe your nose with it. It protects you from sun and rain. And then, when you are tired, it wraps itself around you. Isn't it? So the girl says, "Oh mother, तेरे अंचल की छाया में छिपी रहूं. I want to hide in the shadow of your anchal. Nisprah, nirbhay, nisprah, devoid of all desires, free of all other wishes, because my only wish, my only desire is to be in your warm embrace, is to be in the shade of your love. Nirbhay, without any fear, because I feel protected there in your anchal." कहूं दिखा दे चंद्रोदय, and I would say, "Oh mother, show me the moon." The girl wants to watch the moon coming out, being in her mother's warm embrace. Such is the bond between a mother and a child. I'm sure even you feel the same, because the most special love in this world is mother's love. मैं सबसे छोटी हूँ इस कविता में कवि सुमित्रा नंदन पंत ने हमारे जीवन में माँ के महत्व को दर्शाया है. In this poem, the poet illustrates the importance of mother in our life. माँ हमें जन्म देती है, हमें पाल पोस के बड़ा करती है और सारी सुख सुविधाएं देती है. वह हमारे सुख दुख की सच्ची साथी है. A mother's love for her child knows no bound. She cares for us and does everything that makes us happy. She is our support system till we learn how to do things on our own. Mother's love is beautiful and amazing. Let's revise. लड़की कहाँ सोना चाहती है? Where does the girl want to sleep? लड़की के अनुसार माँ हमें बड़ा बनाकर क्या करती है? According to the girl, what does mother do after bringing us up? लड़की बड़ी होकर क्या खोना नहीं चाहती? What does the girl not want to lose when she grows up? माँ के आंचल में लड़की किस प्रकार छिपना चाहती है? How does the girl want to hide in her mother's आंचल, in her mother's sari? आंचल में छिपकर लड़की क्या देखना चाहती है? What does the girl want to see hiding in her mother's आंचल? इस कविता के कवि कौन है? And who is the poet of this poem? No matter how old I get, I always want my mom. वो कहते हैं ना, माँ के पैरों तले जन्नत है. If there is paradise in this world, it is my mother. It's really important to acknowledge and appreciate all the little gestures of a mother. I love you, Mama. So that was a beautiful poem by Sumitra Nandan Pant. Hope you have understood and enjoyed the explanation. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. See you again in the next video with a new lesson.